Hey guys, Mr. Wahidu Haque back on another video. Today we're going to be debadging this Astra. So got this badge here. We've already took one off just to practice.
Side, yeah.
So what you're going to need is a car plant tire remover or any sort of tire remover.
And some dental floss as well, just because that's nice and thin so you can get behind the badge to take it off.
And a heat gun. Or yeah. Just make sure you don't floss with it again.
Yeah. I mean, too far, I did floss with it before, hasn't mint? Like mint.
Oh yeah, I forgot we did your indicators, didn't we?
Yeah. So the way to do this, you also need like a hairdryer or handgun, heat gun, sorry. Obviously we don't have a heat gun, so we're just using a hairdryer. So that's just a normal hairdryer. So you need a microfiber cloth as well. That's obviously to put the tire remover on, wipe it off. And yeah. So
right.
Now you just want to heat it up. So yeah. So
you're heating the glue up basically.
You'll get a lot of noise coming from this. So yeah. And you just want to go side to side as well, because if you lay it in one side, then you might damage your body. So you want to keep going side to side.
Paint of the body.
Evens it out as well. Might take a bit of time to heat it up for a bit. And then you just keep touching it and then you'll know how hot it should be.
Look at these tires. Look at these tires.
Can't do that. I'd probably say that was like, what, 5 minutes? 5 minutes of heating up.
Now you get the dental floss out.
That's right, grab your dental floss. That would be enough. Back again. Then you just want to wrap it around your finger like that. And then just work your way through it. Like this. You'll see it slowly start to come through. Go. Just make sure you're not actually leaving anything out and it is going through the back of it all. And loose it comes.
Voila.
Don't know where that's gone.
So as you can see, it's still got all the dirt on it, so you can see the SRI.
Yeah.
So that's what the tire remover is for.
The what I tried on the other side, obviously, just to make it easy on your tire remover, you just heat this up. You heat it up, take it away a bit with your nails or anything of sort, and then you use tire remover and it'll like buff it out. So it is quite cheap to do this.
Pretty much out in it.
There you go. So that's that done. And then this is where the tire remover comes in, because obviously you can still see it's a bit sticky, so you haven't completely taken it off. So just grab your tire remover. Does smell a bit like paint, to be fair.
Smells good.
Smells nice. I just like to rub it in quite a bit. That's how much I'm roughly using. Not that much. Fucking hell.
Is that too much?
A bit too much, yeah. But just even it out across the cloth. It's a way to just even it out, just like let it spread basically. There you go, grab another side, Let's do that.
Yeah, that'll be alright.
Yeah. Just grab the part. I can just see a little bit, but just kind of get that off. I might actually just do with the paint. Yeah. I think that's just a paint wet kind of thing. Can't really tell, but from far away you can't tell. Obviously, someone coming up close you can tell. But
Yeah, it's not that bad.
yeah. Until that's been taken off. You can't tell what, you know what I mean?
Can't tell unless.
Got hard on this one. There we go. That's off.
That's off. Got this one to do, and then we're done. You're keeping the badge in it?
Yeah, this one's staying.
That's fine.
To be fair with this one, I might just grab the tar remover.
Okay, this badge is off now, and you can't tell it was ever there. It really look beautiful. Now we move on to this one. Oh, the guy's broke in half last night. At least we know how we put it on. So you just leave the AS on.
The AS, yeah.
That's going off well easy. So they're all separate letters, isn't it?
For some reason the R and the A are together though. It's a bit strange.
Is it working? Oh, what's it like that? Go up and down. Nothing.
Nothing. I just have to peel that off a little. Yeah. Fucking hell. It's going to be
Up and
on.
down. Which one's better? I say put more tar on.
More tar on?
More remover, yeah. It's hard, isn't it?
Yeah, come. No, I haven't painted it yet. I just took the badge off.
You haven't painted it, you just took the badge.
Yeah. Alright guys, the debadging is done. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to my channel.
Stay tuned for the next video. Where
Next
we
video
dechrome this.
we're gonna dechrome this and make it matte black. So stay tuned for that. And goodbye.